State Falls. We made it.
State Falls.
How was the hike?
It was only like 0.1 miles. Very close. We'll go down the acorn to eat a little snack. Alright vlog, we're going to Upson Falls now. We just got done with interstate. How long will that be?
15 miles.
Not too far. Alright, we'll catch you there. Bye-bye. Be prosecuted.
No, it says destroying trees.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Waterfall number 2. Upson Falls.
Okay, Upson Falls, I rate it 8.5 out of 10. Very nice. What would you say, Matt?
I would agree. It's fun. It's not like a super high waterfall, but you can kind of scramble out on the rocks, and there's a bunch of cascades, so it was good.
Where is this at?
Copper Falls or Brownstone Falls. We're in Copper Falls State Park.
Okay. And this is one of them.
At Copper Falls State Park. Dan, what do you think of Copper Falls?
I think they're great. It's very huge, as you can see. I like it a lot. I wish you could climb on it though, so that's the only downside, but I'll give it another 8.5 because it's very cool.
Go waterfalls!
Hello everybody, I'm your host Danny Kaiser, and we are at Potato River Falls, but that is very close to Copper River Falls. And I heard it's a very immersive experience, is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay.
You could really walk out there a lot.
So I'm looking forward to it, but we'll update you after this commercial break.
For what's our commercial for? What brand of boot?
What? Oh, this isn't a commercial.
Performance outdoor boot. There you go.
There you go.
Outdoor footwear. Did not. This was operator error.
Yeah.
That the shoe needs to be tied again.
Sorry guys, not my fault. My feet. Alright, I'm ready for it also. One. No contact. I'm overreacting. No, never mind. It is freezing.
Yeah, it's cold. The 131 stairs at Potato Falls But what did you think of Potato Falls? What's your review?
I actually give it a 9 out of 10. I say the fact that you could actually go on the rocks this time were very fun. There's lots of different sections that you can go into. You could possibly even swim in them.
Yeah, we could have spent a lot more time here than we did.
Yeah.
Like, you could spend a day playing out in the water,
Right.
so.
And not many people, which is nice. There's only like 2 families we saw. The only downside is how to get to the falls because of the stairs, and there's a part where there's no stairs at all. You just have to find your own way. So other than that, it was a very good experience.
Agree. I would say 9 out of 10 also. It's probably my favorite waterfall. We're at Superior Falls, which is made by a dam. We just had dinner at Loma's Bar and Grill in Saxon.
And it was very good.
It was good.
I got the cheeseburger, and she did a very good job.
And the fish fry was good too. We found the falls.
We found the falls. What did you think of Superior Falls?
It was pretty. It wasn't huge, but it was definitely like the fastest moving we've seen, so that was nice, different.
It was very aggressive, but I mean, it wasn't anything special. Like, you can't really go to the waterfall. You just have to look at it.
But it was a cool gorge.
Yeah, it was nice. I will give it 7.5 out of 10.
That's fair.
Hello vlog.
Hi.
We're at Saxon Falls now. And what is Saxon Falls? Is it just the dam?
It's created by the dam. I think when they dammed the river, because it filled up higher, it diverted and created the falls.
All right. We did Saxon Falls, and it was cool, but we couldn't really get to it. But I feel like if we could have gone down to actually see it, it would have been definitely up there, like a 9 out of 10. I would say
5 or 6.
5 or 6. It was also a very short walk, so I mean, not.
Yeah, it
too
took
much
no
to
time
see.
at all.
Yeah.
Here we have a 1.5 mile hike in to Lost Creek Falls, which supposedly you can actually like walk out into and behind. So we'll update you. What did you think of Lost Creek Falls?
I give it a solid 8. Like, it wasn't massive compared to the other ones, but it wasn't small, which was good.
And it was unique because you could go like right to the falls itself.
And no people. So I'll give it about an 8.
Yep, we were the only ones here. The trail in was nice. It was a good hike.
Rocky and Rooney.
Yeah. Okay, this is Little Manitou Falls. What do you think of Little Manitou?
I think it's cool. It's cool how it goes on both sides. Okay, I'll vlog. We're at Omnicom Falls, and there's an upper and lower section.
Yeah, so we'll go to the bridge. There's a covered bridge and you can look and see both at the same time.
Okay.
Actually at Snake Pit Falls right now. But what did you think of Omnicom Falls State Park and the falls and the snake pit?
I thought Omnicom Falls was pretty good. I think it was very cool. The trails were all thought out, like very clear and very easy to walk on, which is really nice. And I liked how you can actually go on the rocks this time. Not as big as the waterfalls as the other ones, but very interactive.
Omnicom is one of my favorites. Like, the waterfalls are not that spectacular, but it's a really fun park where you could spend as much time climbing around in it as you wanted to. So I would give it a 8.5.
Okay guys, so today we're gonna explore a wasp nest, and these wasps are very dangerous. Like, you know, in the Hunger Games, how these wasps, if they hit you, you start to feel dizzy. Well, this is the same case. So we have to be very careful. Look over there. There's our target. We have to be very sneaky. All right.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell.
Sir, you're too loud. Please stay back. Do we have a bell sound?
They're scared because it's night.
They're vigilant. Come eat. Ooh, moose.
I don't think the cows are interested in us.
Do we have food?
No. Cows don't eat pretzels.
You're watching my crazy driving.
as you cross the rumble strips.
I know there's this crazy guy in front of us yelling. We'll sneak past.
You give it to us, and I tell you, that's how I'm giving you a helping hand, and then all I got was major attitude.
Go waterfalls!